Hey everyone. Um, this video is going to illustrate how to add base cabinets to an island if you have one. Okay. Okay. You can see from this model, from this video that is, that I've added all of the base cabinets and the wall cabinets, leaving space for the dishwasher here. Okay, and space for, as I orbit around the refrigerator here. Oh, I see I'm missing a cabinet here that I hid in the last video, so I'm just gonna go to edit here. I'm gonna go to unhide, and I'm just gonna choose last. Yep. So now I have my base cabinet back. Okay. So now I'm going to add the base cabinets for the island. All right, so I'm going to give myself some little reference lines here. Okay, I'm going to use the line tool. I want the island to start 4 feet from this door here. So I'm going to give myself a line here, 4 feet. Good. And then I want the base cabinets to start 4 feet. 4 feet, 4 feet from, assuming here, 4 feet from the face of this cabinet here. Still the line tool. Okay, on axis 4 feet. Good. So then I'm just going to draw a line here on axis. Good. And then a line here on axis. All right, so at this intersection right here is where my base cabinet is going to start from my island. Okay, so all I'm going to do in this case, okay, some of you may have some draw units here, but I'm just going to use I'm just going to copy these a base cabinet for just illustrative purposes. Okay. Now you know what I could do here. Since my walls are getting in my way, and I made them a group. Okay, so what I could do here, I could actually go to edit. I could go to select here, and I can select my wall group. Then I can go to edit. Then I could hide it. Good. So my walls are missing, but I know this is where my base cabinet is going to start. And like I said, I'm just going to copy. I'm just going to copy a base cabinet. Okay, I'm going to just select this one, and I'm going to select move. And I'm going to select my control key. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy it here. Okay. Oops. Skip out of this. All right, and then I'm just going to rotate it around. On axis. On axis, good. So now I could just move it. I'm going to orbit around this way. Skip out of this. Get out of this. So I'm just going to move it now from this point to where I want it to start. Good. And I think I'm going to change the size of it. Yeah, now I'm going to change the size of it. To 30 inches. to 30 inches, yes. Okay, so I gotta move it again. Okay. Okay. So with this, I know I'm going to have base cabinet, my range, and then another base cabinet. Okay, and I know my range is going to be 30 inches, so I'm just going to give myself a reference point here, measuring tool. Come over here. My range is 30 inches. Okay, zoom out here. Cool. Oh, so then I want to copy again. I want to copy, select, move, control key. These points, copy, 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 zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. I want to, oops, not too far. Okay. All right, let's see how that looks from above. See if I need to adjust anything. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So now, I don't want to see the back of these base cabinets. Okay, I have several options. You know, craft-made mix and in panel that most of you have used. Another option that I didn't talk about though is that you could actually put a wall behind a wall, like stud wall with drywall behind it. Okay. Okay. I think one person has found some bookcases that they're putting in the rear of these base cabinets to cover up the back side of the cabinets and what else, the range. But most of you are using an end panel. So that end panel is just going to be a surface that we're going to create. If I can come in here like this. Okay, oops, okay. And then I want to draw a line from the end of this base cabinet to the end of the other base cabinet. Good. And then I want that line to be, I'm going to make it a 1/2 inch in thickness. Okay. Then I'm going to get it on axis. Good. Now, I guess it went past, but I need it. Then I need to draw another line that is going to be there on axis. Good. So now I have a surface. I can delete the lines that I do not need anymore, which is this line right here, and this line right here. Okay. And I should have a surface now right here that I can pull up. There it is. Start to pull it up, and the top of the top of base of the top of stock base cabinets is 34.5 inches. But let me see. So I just want to type in right now. Let's go. CK. Yep. Come down here. Let's see if it'll let me do it now, but because I stopped so far. Okay, let's Control Z out of that. Okay. Let's go to push pull here. Okay, it is, so I can see it. There it is. Push pull here, stop there. And then I'm going to type in there here. I'm going to type in 34 space it 1/2 inches. Okay, good. So that should have taken me if I was to the top of my base cabinets. And it absolutely did. It's perfect. Okay. All right. So now I've got that end panel. The only thing I have to do now is to paint it. Okay. Let's paint it. I already have my, because remember I used the eyedropper previously. So my paint color is already that of the base cabinet. So all I have to do is use my paint tool, come down here, paint. Okay. Okay. Paint tool. I need to paint that surface. Good. Then I want to make sure I don't forget the ends here. Good. I want to paint this surface here. Good. Then I want to orbit around. Orbit around and paint. Oh, geez. Just do zoom extents. See, can I get to it? I think I can get to it from here without. Yep. So then I want to paint this surface right here. I think what happened is that let's look at the bottom. I think I didn't pull it out. Yeah, I need to pull this out some more. Okay, so I need to pull this out some more right here. And I want it to match. Well, usually I can do an inference. There it is. There's my inference. Good. All right. And now I just want to paint that side. There we go. So I have the end panel that looks wonderful. Looks wonderful. So I can go to select and go back up here to edit. And unhide. Good. So now I can do zoom extents. Do zoom extents. And orbit around here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. That looks wonderful. Okay. All right. Good. I don't need to paint this side really, because it's going to be covered up by the range. But I could do it anyway. Let's see if I just paint this side. There we go. Didn't need to, but I just did it anyway. All right, so now I'm going to select, and I can erase some lines that I don't need any longer. I think those reference lines I made on the floor, I can now delete those. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit closer. So I can erase this line here. Don't need this, don't need this one. Don't need this one. Don't need this one. All right, so now I have good. I have added all of my base and wall cabinets, including those required for my island. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do that.